I welcome you all in our today's offline video lecture of class 12th information practices, and the today's topic is database models. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Dragmula. Now, what are data model? A data model is a conceptual representation of data structures that are required by a database. So the conceptual representation of data structures in a database is referred as data model. To use a common analogy, the total model is equivalent to an architect building plan. Just as an architect develops plans for construction of a building, this is also the construction of database, the conceptual construction of a database. A data model is independent of hardware or software constraints. Data model does not depend on hardware or software. It just gives us a conceptual representation of the data in a database. Importance of data model. Data model representation usually graphically of complex real world data structures. It gives us complete representation graphical of world data structure. It facilitates interaction among the designer, the application programmer, and the end user. So data models facilitate interaction between the designer, which designs, the application programmer which develops the application for that database, and the end user, the user which uses that data. End users have a different views and needs for data. Data models organize data for various users. Types of different data models. Different data models are available for database system, which are hierarchical model, network model, and relational model. First we will discuss hierarchical model. It is the oldest database model starting from 1950s. Tree structure is most frequently occurring relationship. Organized data elements as tubular rows. Advantage: simplicity, data security, data integrity, and efficiency. Disadvantage: implementation complexity, database management problem, lack of structural independence, programming complexity. Network. Second is network model. It has a graph structure, allows more connection between nodes. An employee work for two departments is not possible in hierarchical model, but here it is possible. Advantage: conceptual simplicity, handle more relationships, ease of data access, data integrity, data independence, database standards. Disadvantage: system complexity, absence of structural independence. And third is relational model. It is the most popular type of data models used in the industry today. In relational model, data is in the form of table. Each table is an application entity, and each row is the instance of that entity. SQL serves as a uniform interface for users, providing a collection of standard expression for storing and retrieving data. Most popular database model is the relational model. Relation. A relation is the table of the database which contains the data in the form of rows and columns. A tuple is a row record. Second is cardinality. The number of rows in a table is referred to as cardinality. Attribute. The column or field is defined also called as attribute. Degree of relation. The number of columns in a table is known as degree. Primary key. It is a unique identifier. It is an attribute which is a unique identifier of all the records in a database. Domain, a pool of values from which the values of specific attribute of specific locations are taken. So these were the three database models: hierarchical model, network model, and relational model. And out of them, relational model is the most popular data model. Students, this is it for today's topic of database models. We are daily coming up with more and more offline videos related to your syllabus. Students, let us learn these topics. In the meantime, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.